Hello, I'm Kirsty, and we had our beautiful glass room fitted by Vantage. Originally we had instructed another provider who was going to fit the glass room for us, and unfortunately we were let down at the last minute. We were advised by DePonte to get in touch with Vantage, who are specialists in fitting these glass rooms. So we quickly got in touch with Ernie at Vantage. He was extremely helpful, came out very, very quickly and measured up for us. We should have already had the glass room fitted by the previous supplier. However, unfortunately, because they weren't able to carry out the work, Ernie was aware in how quick we wanted it to be fitted. He measured up, got in contact with DePonte and the products, got his guys out, and they actually fitted and installed and fitted the glass room within 2.5 weeks of the first appointment. The service itself was extremely efficient, gave us a really good deal. We got a really good overall customer service. The guys were really, really clean, really, really efficient. When the goods were delivered on the day, the guys were meant to actually allocate 3 days to fitting the glass room and did it in a day with a few hours to spare the next day, just fitting seals and finishing off the glass room overall. So in general, the actual overall service was top notch, and I would highly recommend Vantage to fit these specific glass rooms. They're a very, very bespoke product. Not everybody can fit them. So the fact that Vantage have got the expertise and the skill set to fit this type of product is really, really key.